Okay, we do a worksheet on this corrections on this time worksheet uh, 11.1. Now this is the clock face, a 12-hour clock face. If it goes 2 rounds, it means it becomes a full day clock, right? 24 hours clock face. Now if you have to see over here, now each digit from 2 to 3, for example, are divided into 5 parts. So when you count, right, from 2 to 3, okay, 5 parts, you just count from here 0, 5, 10, right, just like this. All right, let's say for example from 6 to 11, okay, so you line up 6 to 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now this blue line here means this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All you have to do count by 5 from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and you got 25 seconds. It means the second hand moves from here 6 to 11. Okay, it has actually covered 25 seconds, right? For the rest, I will not give you the answer. You have to really go through this way. Now you may pause the video here to check out for yourself what it means. For example, 11 to 6. So 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? How should you count? You should count from 0, right? So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And this should be 35 seconds, right? Try the rest yourself if you got it wrong. All right, use this as a guide. If not during examination, you have to just count from here. Train yourself to do so. I'm going on to the next question. Now these are conversions. It means you convert from minute to seconds, right? Now in the actual time, there are things like this, okay? Minutes and seconds together. All right, so how do you convert 2 minutes and 30 seconds? What do you need to do is like this, huh? Watch out. 2 minutes. Every 1 minute, it is 60 seconds. So in 2 minutes is 60 times 2. All right? Okay, so this whole thing, these 2 minutes, 60 times 2 will become 120. Okay, I'm going to show you 60 times 2 will become 120. Right, over here, this part here becomes this part. This 120 has become seconds. All right, so seconds here, 60 times 2. Then you plus the other seconds, remaining seconds. This 30 here is the seconds here. All right, okay, so total seconds is 150 seconds. Do the same for here. I will have this for you. 60 times, if it's 4 minutes times 4 seconds. Okay, how about here? Plus the remaining seconds, which is 15. Okay, just let me just go on back again. Hold on. Okay. Right, sorry about that. Okay, so over here is 60 times 4 plus 15. All right. Okay, for this one, you have to do yourself and try. Look at this part to help you. All right. Now, next. Now we convert from seconds back to minute and seconds. Seconds to minutes and seconds. Now, example number 1, 79 seconds. Actually, we are all dealing here A, B, C, D, E. We are all dealing with 60 seconds, blocks of 60 seconds. Okay, so 79, you divide by 60. Look here. Now it's very easy. It may be very daunting if you think that by dividing by 60 is difficult. Look here. List down the multiples of 60. Start with the 6 times table, right? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. Now, during the exams, all you need to do, list this multiple of 60 down, where you add the 0, right? 60, 120, 180, and so on, right? So 79, the next number, which is smaller than 79 in the 60 times table, is 60 itself. So here 1 times 60 is 60. All right, I'm going to show you. Now from here, this one has become the 1 minute over here. Okay, and this 19 is actually the seconds, the remainder seconds. Okay, these 60 are seconds or so, right? But it has been converted to 1 minute here. Okay, so 79 actually you can convert it to this 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. Okay, this number bonding 60 plus 19. Okay, so this 19 here, the remainder 19 is actually this one. Okay, here, right over here. Now for the rest are the same. I'm going through this one for one. Same thing, do one for one. The next number that is smaller than 1 for 1 is 120 in the 60 times table. Right? So you put 120, 120 you check, it is 2. Okay? It is 2. Alright? 1, 2, 3, it is 2. Huh? So 2 times 60 is 120. 1 for 1 takes away 120. Remaining seconds is 21 seconds. So this 21 seconds is here, the remainder. All right, and this 2 minutes is right over here, right? For number 3, 4, 5, 6, I have written it down this way for you to try, and this, okay, and this over here, right? You must learn how to do it by yourself. Let's go on, next. Clock face, right? Quite straightforward. Okay, so they say 7:30 after 50 seconds. Can you see the line here? This is the second hand. After 50 seconds, it goes round like this, right? From here, it goes round and stop at 10. So it goes round this 50 seconds like this: 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? But 50 seconds, okay, can you see 50 seconds is not even 1 minute. All right, so from 7:30 we have not even passed 1 minute, right? We only passed 50 seconds past, okay, has passed by, but the minutes, okay, will still be 7:30. It remains 7:30. Okay, now let's move down a little more over here. Take a look. Now 6:15, 6:15. After 5 minutes and 15 seconds. After 5 minutes and 15 seconds. So after 5 minutes is, look at the minute hand. It goes from 3 to 4, 5 minutes. You can see it's 5 minutes here. So from here it has passed 5 minutes. It should be from 6:15 to 6:20. 5 minutes has passed. Let's take a look at the second hand. The second hand starts from 2 for 15 seconds, go all the way to 5 over here. It does not go one round. So not even a single minute has passed, only 15 seconds. So this one remains at 6:20, only 5 minutes has passed, but the other 15 seconds is not long enough for it to turn to 21 seconds. Okay, sorry, 21 minutes over here. All right, let me continue. Okay, this timeline are easy, right? Let's take a look. Write down the time represented by each. This is 11 o'clock, 12, okay, 1, 2, okay. So this is 1400 hours, 2, and B is you count backwards, right? 21, 20, 19, 18, all right? You count backwards. So is this, right? For this one, you count forward here, or you can count backward this way, right? Okay, 16, 15, 14, 13, all right? It can be counting backward this way, Right, this is quite straightforward. Let's carry on. Okay, now this is quite straightforward. For here, for 24-hour clock, convert it into a, sorry, a 12-hour clock, convert it into a 24-hour clock. All right. Okay. Now, so 8 a.m. for example is 08. Okay, 20 minutes is 20. Okay, 0820. Right. Now, same here. If it is p.m., it is 12 hours later. So what you need to do, ignore this part. Ignore this part. This part is just 20 plus 20. The minutes are still the same. So 20 here is still the same over here. Right? It's still the same over here. Sorry. Right. So for the hour part, which is 08 from here in the morning, you plus 12 gives you 20 hour. So it's the 20th hour of the day. It becomes 20th hour of the day, 20 minutes. For this, all right, you have to figure out yourself this, another way down. Okay, figure out yourself. Now for here, I drew the timeline. For example, 1440. Anything that is more equal or more than 1200, okay, for example 1300, 1400, 1500, all these are afternoon. Okay, afternoon, that's why I wrote here becomes PM, afternoon. Okay, so 20th hour, 21st hour, all the way of the day is afternoon or later on at night. Okay, anything below 12 here, 11 and 11 plus, all these are AM, morning. So you figure out this 14 here should be afternoon, right? So afternoon means 2:40 p.m. Next, now for this, we have gone through quite lengthy what you should do. Okay, take a look at this. Starting time after 8 hours, what you can do, you can just count, right? From 5 in the morning, you count up. There's a break here. You just can count with your finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13 over here, 8 hours. Or you can, by drawing a timeline, draw the 7-hour first point because you need to stop at 12. Stop at 12. This is the guideline. Okay. Then you have 7 hours here. You need 8 hours, right? Then another additional hour. It means from one more hour from 12 is 1300 hours. Okay. The answer here is 1300 hours. 1300 hours. This is the one. All right. This is the one. Now from here to here, watch out. These two. Here, starting time, ending time. Now, look at the trick here. If there are no minutes involved in the starting and ending time, is straightforward. It means you can take 22 hours, okay, minus 3 hours. All right, 22 minus 3, all right, which is 9 hours, right? 9 hours, 19 hours, sorry, 19 hours. Okay, 19 hours, 19 hours. Let me try for this. So now, sorry. Okay, 19 hours, right? 9 hours. Right, for this will be 7:30 starting time given duration, right? All you have to do this way, right? Can you see? Now the for 11 hours you just count this way, right? 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. You count for 10 hours, it is 17:30. Add another 1 hour is 18:30. That is your answer here. Okay, right. So for this a bit tricky. Duration given, ending time given. So you draw a timeline. Ending time, duration. Now duration is 4 hours 30 minutes. Can you see? 4 hours 30 minutes. So what you need to do is go down to the next o'clock. 1600 hours 30 minutes, go down to the next o'clock, which is 1600 hours. Then you have this 30 over here, right? Which is this. Go down 4 hours, you have 12, right? The answer is 12. Okay. Now for the last two, please figure out when I draw the timeline here. Do figure out these two yourself. Pause the video, figure out and see what the answer is. Okay. For this case over here, you need to figure out what A is, what B is, then you give your answer. A plus B. Now remember, over here is duration. Your answer must be in hours or in minutes. Okay. Now for this case here, given ending time, duration, you can see ending time, duration 6 hours 15 minutes. Okay. Your answer should be here. All right. Now this is not the answer, this is just a stop time here. After 6 hours you stop here, then you take away 15 minutes. What should your time be? Right? Enjoy doing it. Now, okay, Faz started writing his English composition at 1500 hours 30 minutes. It means this is PM. 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. He completed it in 45 minutes. Now this is what it means. Started here. Now let me just draw something. Now started here. This is the starting time. Given, this is given. Starting time and duration is given. Right now, so all you have to do is to play with 45 minutes here. It means along this line is 45 minutes. What you can do is to make it easier, go to the next o'clock, which is 1600 hours. From 1530 go to 1600 hours. The difference is 30 minutes. Now take a look here. 45 is broken into 30 minutes and 15 minutes. This one you have to write out yourself. 45 minus 30 gives you 15. So 50 minutes after 1600 hours, 50 minutes after 1600 hours is 1615. All right, that is your answer. Okay, let's carry on. Right, this particular school has a concert which begins at this time and ends at 10:30 p.m. 6:15, 10:30 p.m. Now this question asked is how long, the duration. Now beginning time given, ending time given, find the duration. Okay, what you can do here is from here to here, go to the next this one. Okay, 30 minutes. Why? So that you can count by 30 minutes. Okay, every hour. Can see this one ends with 30. I change this into this 30 minutes. Now so long as this number 15 is smaller than this number over here, the minutes here is smaller than the minutes here, you can do this trick, right? Convert this, change this to the next 30, which is similar to this, so that as you count here, you can just count by the hours. So this is 15 minutes, this is 4 hours, right? So from 6:15 to 10:30 is 15 minutes, and later on 4 hours, which reach to here. Let's carry on the next one. Okay, now this one, what is given is he spent 4 hours 30 minutes typing out a math test paper. The duration is given from here to here, the whole time stretch, the duration is given. Okay, the duration is given 4 hours 30 minutes. It's broken into 4 hours 30 minutes. Now how do you decide on this? Okay, now we're going to see which one is given. He started typing. Starting time is given, duration is given. Okay, now so what you can do is you can do this. You can count from 1800 hours and 5 minutes over here. You count 4 hours first. Okay, the next is 1905, 2005, 2105, 2205. You have counted 4 hours. Now you need another 30 minutes. Put 30 minutes here. Now 30 minutes after 2205. 30 minutes after 2205 is 2235 here, or 10:35 p.m. Okay, he finished at 10:35 p.m. All right, sorry about that. Let's carry on. Next, right, Cliff went to school and library at 11:15. Over here, draw 11:15. So this one is the given time, 11:15, given. So spend 1.5 hour at the library, given. All right, okay. Now then he went for swimming lesson. This here is swimming lesson. Okay, from here to here, swimming lesson. So step one, what you need to do is from here find out this. Okay, after you find out this, you have found out this, you have a beginning time and the ending time for swimming. Okay, so beginning time and ending time for swimming, 12:45 to 14:45 is 2 hours. The question asked is how long did he swim? How long did the lesson last? The swimming lesson lasted for 2 hours, which is this part from here to here. There was no question on here. The only thing you need to do from here is from here 11:15 after 1 hour 30 minutes, which is 1 hour here 30 minutes. Okay, you have landed in this time. Okay, school library, he stopped at 12:45. It begins the swimming lesson and ended this way. So this one, now when it is 8 o'clock on Sunday in Singapore, it will be 1 a.m. Monday, 1 a.m. Monday. Okay, the next day, can see over here, Singapore, it is 8. Okay, in Canberra, it will be 1 a.m. the next day, 8 p.m. 1 a.m. It crosses the next day. Now the time difference is 5 hours. Okay, find out the time difference is very important. So the question asked, it was 13:20 in Singapore afternoon. Now got nothing to do with this. This is only to tell you the time difference. Okay. Now, so when it's 13:20 in Singapore, what time will Canberra be? No, you must know that Canberra will always be 5 hours ahead of Singapore's time. So if Singapore is 13:20, okay, the Canberran time will be 5 hours ahead. So 13:20, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18:20. That is the answer. 18:20, this is the afternoon, 18:20, 6 p.m. Afternoon, same day, Friday, within the day, 5 hours after 1:20 p.m. is 6:20 p.m. So Canberra's time will be within the same day, which is Friday at 18:20. Right, that's all for now. Thank you.